All right, so I think this is like a rare moment where there's no one in here right now. And I'm probably gonna do a review for this share house at some point. So I'll just record a little bit. It is really spacious here, actually. I mean, I'm on the wide camera angle, but this is the normal one. And we've got a ping pong table, two tables right there, which I usually sit on, the kendama that I like playing with. And then more seats right here, usually for like when people eat at night or for lunch or morning. Someone forgot to push their seat back in. And then there's this big kitchen area right here. So a lot of people can cook at once. I think there's 4 of them. So 2 there and 2 there. And they have a lot of stuff here you can use as well. Water boiler, rice cookers, cups, plates, stuff like that. Pretty nice, but it does get kind of messy, like on weekends when the cleaning staff doesn't do their thing on the weekends. That's just something to note, I guess. But yeah, this is honestly a really, really nice living space, the best I've ever experienced for a share house.